Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6. So I'll start by chaining 36. So now that I chained 36, on the 7th chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain, and this is row 1. I'll chain 5. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain, chain 5. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain, chain 5. I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through the 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. I'll chain 2. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, and then I'll chain 1. Then through the first double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. And now I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Right here through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Then right here through this last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2. And now for row 3 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 1, then through the second chain from the hook, which is our single crochet, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5, and this is row 3. Now right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5. Again through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. And now I'll chain 3, and right here through the last single crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 1. Now right here through this first double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Now I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip the next single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3. I'll skip this first single crochet chain, and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3. Then right here to this last loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 4. And now for row 5, I'll turn my work around. Now I will chain 6. Right here through this first 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next, and this is row 5. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 5. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 5. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3. Then through this last single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So for the pattern we need to repeat 4 rows. So rows 2 through 5 we repeat for this pattern. Repeat rows 2 through 5 for the pattern. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.